Hello everyone! In this tutorial, we'll add a free WhatsApp chat widget to your website using PushEngage. All you need is a website and a WhatsApp number. You don't even need a business account. This is a great way for small businesses to connect directly with visitors, so you can ditch the chatbots and talk to customers from anywhere. To get started, go to your PushEngage dashboard, find Click to Chat in the menu, and click to enable the feature. Now, enter your phone number, starting with the country code but without the plus sign. Below that, write a short greeting message that visitors will see on the widget. Next, let's customize the button. You can choose an icon style and set its size. The default of 48 pixels is usually perfect. Then, pick where you want the button to appear on the screen, like the bottom right, and use the offset settings to add a bit of spacing from the edges. The Z-index setting just makes sure your button is always visible on top of other content. Once you're happy with your settings, just click the Save Changes button, and you're all set. Your free WhatsApp chat widget is now live on your site. If you have any trouble, our support team is always here to help. You're now ready to chat directly with your customers. Sign up for PushEngage now and get started for free today.